are used in a large number of disciplines such as algebra, geometry, statistics, physics, chemistry, and economics. What is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in horizontal and vertical lines. So let us see how matrices are represented. Matrices are represented by a capital letter, suppose A, and it is as it is defined, is a square, in a square bracket. It is written as any number you take, here you need to know this line, this one is known as row, and other one you can take like these are column. So it is column. So in the given matrix, there are elements 1 and 5 in the row. In a row, 1 and 5 is the element, and in column, first column, it is 1 and 8. So therefore, there in the matrix A, there are two rows, one and containing elements 1 and 5 and elements 8 and 9. And column, there are two columns, 1 and 8 and 5 and 9. This way we have to represent a matrix. There are matrix, suppose B is again a matrix. It is represented by B, and if you are writing like this, or else you can do like this for better understanding. This is called row matrix. Row matrix. ऐसा row matrix. Row matrix. And this is column matrix. This is called row matrix. Today's class, one class is not sufficient to make you understand about the maths. So this may continue in the next video also. So now suppose you have taken C, another matrix, say suppose C is a matrix. Now this one will be your column matrix. Any number you take, 2 and 4. This is called column matrix. This is column matrix. Then this is what I have done, column matrix. So now we have to understand what is order. Here order of matrix is 2 order of this matrix. Order is 2 into 2. Here 1 into 2. This is order. If you take order 1 is to 2, 1 into 2, and here order 1 into 1. That means so this one is 2 into 1. Likewise, so order means the number of elements in rows and columns. 2 elements in the row, 2 elements in the column. Here also order 1 into 2 means 2 elements in row, and there 2 elements in one column. So first one is row, second one is column. Here first one is row element, and first one is elements and row. So this way we have to, so numbers of row and the number of columns determine the order of a matrix. Okay, so if I write n into n means m number of elements in n column. M number of elements in n column. Okay, so this is all about how we start matrix. How we start matrix. Okay. Now, notation. Notation is always in capital, that I have shown you. Notation should be in capital. Likewise, one, two, three, four. So notation is this one. So if I write A11, that means first row, first column, it is 8, sorry, very good, sorry, it is 1. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, second column, it is 3. Okay. If I write second column, second row, first column, it is 2. First row, second column, second row, first column, it is 2. Second row, first column. Then second row, second column. Second row, second column, it is 4. So elements, these are elements which are placed in the matrix. So notation in capital we have given, and the suffix what we are giving, this is 1 means this one, 1 2 means this one, 2 1 means this one, and 2 2 means this one. So that I have written. Now types of matrix. There are types of matrix. So type of matrix, what we have to write. There are types: row matrix that I have shown you, column matrix that I have shown you, square matrix. The matrix itself is represented in column, in a square bracket we have to do, and diagonal. A square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if every non-diagonal element is 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0. Very good. Then there is a scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. If there are matrices which are name of the matrices, types of matrices, row matrix, which I have shown you, row matrix I have shown you, column matrix I have shown you, So only column, in the column we will write column matrix, and there is zero matrix is also there. Zero matrix is also there. Well, row matrix, column, column matrix, then null or zero matrix, zero matrix, then scalar matrix is there, diagonal matrix is there, and identity matrix. Identity matrix, it is very important. Identity matrix. Identity matrix is, if you take this, it is like that. 1 1 0 0. It is identity matrix. A, you take A. B also you can take like this, different type. One zero zero 0 1 0. This is identity matrix. Okay. Null matrix I have said, it is 0 0. Null matrix. Zero, 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 zero. Order you can find out of your own. Okay. So 2 2 you can write here, 2 2 order. Matrix whose all elements are 0 is called a null matrix or a zero matrix. Equality of matrix. Equal matrix you can take. Equal matrix. Equal matrix. Equal matrix you can take. Suppose this is 2 5 7 minus 4. B. Same. 2 5 7 minus 4. So this is the introduction of matrices. So we can take up operation on matrices. Operation of matrices we can take, but not in this video. In other video we will take. So if you like this topic, subscribe this channel so that I'll be encouraged. If you are benefited, I and you also try, you also read in the book. Thank you. Thank you.